Again, today we'll be looking at list and images. So let's just not waste time and let's go on and launch our Sublime Text. So I've created a file called list. So I'm going to open the list. That's where we'll be doing our code. So let me open my file. This is the list file that I'll be using. So now let's just go on and put on our HTML. So let's give it a title of list and images. And I hope this was explained in the earlier lesson. So now let's look at list. We have two types of list. We have ordered list and unordered list. An ordered list goes with the tag of OL, which is about like when listing things that are numbered, that are in order, or that are labeled like 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, and etc. So maybe we are doing a list of let's say fruits. So let me just give it a header of H4 and give it fruits. So let's say list 1, we'll give it apple. Then list 2, mango. List 3, we'll give it pear. List 4 is citrus. So let's save it and go and run it. So let's run it here. Let's run our code. Okay, here's our list file. So let's run it and see what we get. You see, here it is. We have fruit and we have list. Apple, mango, pear, and citrus. So maybe assuming we want to do for an ordered list, like one which is not ordered. It is not ordered and it goes by UL. So let's give it a header to H4. Let's give it, maybe we are naming to-do list. Doing to-do list. So now we do go by LI again, which for list. So maybe in the morning you list what you will be doing in the morning. So maybe when you wake up, you brush your teeth. After then you read some book. Then next is yoga. Then next is yoga, and maybe last one is exercise. So let's run this one too and see what we get. Let's open our browser. Let's run it. So as you can see, this one is an ordered list. So now we'll be moving on to list inside a list. That's nested list. So we go by using this one. So now you come and do LI. Again, that's for our list. So maybe we are listing for tea, types of tea. So we have tea here. We have tea here. Then we come and do UL inside the distance, another unordered list inside our list. So maybe li black tea. Then we have coffee. Then maybe moringa tea. So let's go, and after that you come and do another one. So let's do another list for maybe let's see, what are we going to do? Maybe for cooking ingredients. So we come on and do UL again. That's for our unordered list. So when we put inside it of a list, so maybe we say, let's say cooking ingredient, we have rice, we have some oil, we have let's say, what else, pepper, and maybe last one we have Maggi. So let's save this and run it again and see what we get. As you can see, this is a list inside of a list. So this one is the first list, and types of teas inside of it, cooking ingredients, and we have this one inside of it again. So we are moving on to images. Now, how to insert an image? We have a tag for image, and that is img. And there's an src inside of img. Src means source, and we have alt. For alternative. If we are not being able to view the image, then if the browser is not being able to view image, it will view the alt, to maybe telling you what like the image was supposed to show. So let's head on to our browser and get an image. I have a couple of images here. So let's cut the link here. Let's copy the link here and paste it and put the alt, maybe dive tip. Let's put on another image with the src. There's another image here. Sorry, there's another image. Let's copy that thing again and let's paste it in our src. The src is just the source of where the image is coming from. Maybe that's the location of the image. So this one will just say HTML. Then we save it. Let's add one more image. There's another image here. Let's see this one. Copy. Then we put our image tag again. Then we paste it. Here again. Sorry. We paste it again. Then we do for the alt. Then img tag. And let me explain something here. We have different types of images. We have PNG and JPG, and they all have their meanings. In coding, maybe if you don't know anything, you can just search it. So PNG meaning, let's just search it and see. PNG means for image, and it will show us what PNG means. PNG means sorry. Sorry for the distraction. I'm having a network challenge, so I'm going to change. So let's say PNG means I'm hoping this one will go. Open this one. For the meantime, as it is loading, let's save our this thing and run the code and see what we'll get for the images. So let's run it. As you can see, the images are here. The images we put on are here. And let's see. So PNG means portable graph format, and the last one is JPG, and that's joint photography. Sorry, that's not JPG means, and that's and JP means joint expect group. Joint photographic expect group. So that's it. So these are types of image. The PNG is this thing. That one is like I don't know how to explain it, but if you search it on Google, you will see more about it. So as the images are viewed here, let's maybe change something small in our SRC and see if the images will still appear, and if it is not appearing, what will be shown. So maybe let's remove the JPG and save it out, save our file again, so and run it and see if this image, this one is for the last image, and that's what I've changed. So let's run it and see. As you can see, it has vanished and it is showing IMG tag. Let's change this one to small and see. Let me remove the PNG and save it. So let's open our this thing and run it again. As you can see, that one too has gone and it's showing dive tip. That's all for today. See you again. Thank you.